to do. We back here one more again at the Breaking the Color Barrier Conference. Well, let's get a reunion for truth, y'all. People I haven't seen for a long time. Now look who done come up to me now. And this is who I call Ranger Lance. We met years ago in St. Augustine, Florida, and then he came to Savannah in the Gullah Geechee Nation of Fort Pulaski, right? And now he is on the mall in D.C. So good to see you here, brother.
It's so great to see you here.
Excellent. Now, I heard that you missed my session last night because you were getting an award somewhere.
Yes.
Now, what was this award for?
This was an award for the National Capital Region for interpretive teamwork.
Outstanding.
Yes. We won an award. This year has been a very special year. It's been the 200th birthday anniversary of Abraham Lincoln.
Okay.
And one of the sites for which I'm responsible is the Lincoln Memorial.
Oh, outstanding.
And you probably know Lincoln Memorial is also known as the place where Marian Anderson
performed.
1939, Easter Sunday.
Yes.
We also know this also the place where Dr. King spoke.
Exactly.
March on Washington, 1960.
Everybody is seeing
this is a part of our culture, and we celebrated this past year with a special birthday anniversary assembly and gathering at the Lincoln Memorial on February the 12th.
Okay.
Nikki Giovanni delivered a special poem there.
Is that right? We got to get a copy of that poem.
Yes. Secretary Salazar spoke.
Yes.
And then on April the 12th, to commemorate, we had a tribute concert.
Okay.
Marian Anderson tribute concert.
Outstanding.
And Denise Graves, opera great.
Oh, wow.
She performed in a dress worn by Marian Anderson.
Outstanding.
Yes.
Now that's historic in and of itself.
Absolutely, it's historic. And then on May the 30th, we had the rededication of the Lincoln Memorial. And now during the original dedication in 1922, among the speakers was the president of Tuskegee. We brought back the current president of Tuskegee to speak, and also the winner of a national poetry recitation contest, Poetry Out Loud, young man from Arlington, Virginia. He spoke and recited a poem by Carl Sandburg.
Oh, outstanding.
It was beautiful.
So it was intergenerational.
The youth. We wanted to connect the youth to this story because this is a part of our future, and we wanted to carry this on. And of course, we had our own secretary and our deputy director, Ernie Quintana, who spoke. We had a military band. It was a beautiful day. We had reenactors. 54th.
I was going to ask.
Yes, it was a beautiful day.
Right. That's wonderful.
Yes. And another thing that I want you to look at.
Yes.
I want you to go to www.nps.gov/LINC.
Okay. Is that for Lincoln?
Yes.
Short for Lincoln.
Go to Lincoln Memorial Interactive.
Okay. So y'all got that? It's www.nps, that's National Park Service, .gov, then /LINC for the short part of Lincoln. All right. And there's an interactive.
There's an interactive website which will show you aspects of the Lincoln Memorial that you probably overlooked.
Oh, okay.
And they also have recorded personal narratives
of Lincoln
from park rangers.
Oh, park rangers.
Tell you how Lincoln has transformed their individual lives.
Oh, outstanding.
We have a park ranger who's now an American citizen, born in Somalia.
Is that right?
And she tells a very compelling story about how Lincoln transformed her life.
Now that's great because that now brings us into an international arena.
Absolutely.
And many times people don't realize when they live in the U.S. they don't even go to parks.
Right.
So can you imagine that coming from Somalia with all the suffering and all the fighting, all the enduring, and coming here to the National Mall and being inspired here? You know, now I got to go to that
That's
site.
the power of a place.
Definitely.
And we also have a Korean War vet, Ranger Gil Lyons, who's, during the Korean War, that was the first conflict in which African Americans began to integrate. We have a park ranger who was a part of this.
Oh, really?
And he tells his story. And he also tells a story when he was there in 1963.
Wow.
Listening to Dr. King speak.
So he has almost the entire thread.
It's a lifeline of experience. And he connects again the present to the past. A history of America, a history of his service, and a history of his courage. So I think these are very important stories that we all need to listen to and hear.
Definitely. So with all that work that you all did, no wonder they won the award,
That's
right?
Absolutely.
Outstanding.
All right.
And we salute you.
I salute you for the inspiration. Because I always think of this. And we have beautiful times.
Yes, and you know what? I might just pull out one of them old pictures and Facebook us so you'll see us back when we first met.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right.
You look great.
Well, thank you
so much. You
so
still look the same. That's how come I can recognize you right off. So you're doing a great job.
Thank
you know you gotta love it. That's what keeps you young.
Absolutely.
Definitely. So everybody, if you've never gone to the Lincoln Memorial, you've never gone to the National Mall, take some time out, take a visit to Washington, D.C. When you get there, hail Lance, tell them, hey, I can see you darking the green Quet on what's going on. So for true children, this is what's going on, and as you see, we've been working together a long time to break that color barrier. So y'all come help us out with the rest of the work that's going into the future. And bring the children with you.
That's right.
They are our future.
Absolutely.
Definitely. Peace and blessings, everybody.